Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. But one of the driving factor of the crypto market is actually Trump announcing that he is going to be in talks with Powell to try to decrease the interest rate. Whenever the interest rate come down, majority of the riskier assets such as crypto see an inflow of cash and a positive trend. And that's exactly what we are experiencing currently. At the same time, the Bitcoin ETF has printed a green candle. We have seen a really strong inflow of cash, which has definitely pumped up the altcoin market, as majority of them are up about 5 to 10%. And on the other end, Bitcoin is trying extremely hard to ensure after capturing 88,000, it wants to hold that support. What will happen in the near future? Well, first of all, President Trump says he hopes Fed Chairman Powell lowers the interest rate. At the same time, Dogecoin Foundation launches an official reserve to explore real-world payment solutions and partnership, and with that also came a reserve which was 10 million Dogecoin purchased, and that's the reason why the last 24 hours for Dogecoin have printed a very good candle. And OpenAI CEO Sam is in talks with Visa for crypto stablecoin payments wallet. This could be a game changer. And at the same time, Dogecoin is breaking out of the triangle, which can result in a 16% upswing. There's a lot of things to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, turn on the notifications so you can be notified as soon as I upload the video, and you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. And let's go for a light go of 31. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the Dogecoin chart. This is exactly what was required from Dogecoin to ensure that it's able to show the next leg of this bull market. Now you can see that ever since we saw this sell-off, which actually pushed the market all the way down to 14 cents, it was extremely hard for the entire market to make a recovery from the last 2 to 3 weeks, because we did get rejected at the price of close to 17.8 2 to 3 times, and every single time the super trend actually flipped into a downtrend when we did experience a sell-off. So the short-term traders were pretty much controlling the market, but now it's very clear that the long-term traders have made a recovery. And at the same time, Trump making statements like this, which he is going to try to get the interest rate lowered, this could definitely be a game changer for the next leg of the bull market for the entire crypto market. And we all know when Trump was announced that he is going to be part of the White House, there was a very good rally that was followed by crypto, and Trump is a very strong supporter of crypto, and that can be seen by some crazy news which are coming out. First of all, Ohio State representative says, "I am working hard in Columbus to establish a Bitcoin reserve." So there's going to be more money that's going to be flowing into the ETFs, and at the same time the reserves are going to be buying more. Trump media signs an agreement to partner with Crypto.com and launch an ETF. This is huge because that's exactly what I'm talking about. If Trump already has a personal interest in ensuring that crypto market does well, what's going to happen? It's very clear that the crypto market over time is going to be taking over and ensuring that it's going to be the next leg of the bull market. While on the other end, you can see SEC, which was one of the biggest problems that the crypto market always faced, is going to shift their focus away from crypto enforcement under the new leadership. Now the SEC is going to start focusing on other things which are not related to crypto. At the same time, South Korea's Hyundai to announce a 20 billion investment in United States. This is huge because you need to understand that US aid, or you can say majority of the tariffs which were expected to be going on to a lot of countries, and the ones that want to ensure that they're able to have a little bit of safety from America, are going to be investing in it. And Bitcoin's transaction fees have nearly tripled over the past week, signaling a spike in the network activity. And the network activity increasing is very important. There's two reasons for that. First of all, the network activity going up, meaning more people are actually paying attention to crypto. And secondly, there is more people which are going to be buying into crypto. And as more people are going to be paying attention to it, you can see that the open interest is also going to be seeing a positive trend, close to 26 billion, which is up about 6%. And the long to the short ratio, well, slowly is starting to favor the short traders. Now, I know it's 56 to 44, but yesterday was close to 60 and 40. Now, Dogecoin's new reserve aimed to enhance the transaction liquidity for the global merchants. This is huge because I personally feel like whenever you talk about Dogecoin, majority of the people say it's just a meme coin. There's no utility, and now they're finally trying to come to some sort of thing that can have a bigger utility for Dogecoin. And knowing that it has such a low transaction fee, it's probably a very good idea to get into it quickly. A new incentive by House of Doge aims to revolutionize Dogecoin as a viable payment option, solidifying its position in the global commerce. This effort includes a strategic reserve of 10 million Doge, which is about $2 million, dedicated to enhancing the transaction speeds for the merchant. So they just want to ensure that more people or more businesses start accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment in the future. Top analyst says Dogecoin preparing for a 12x surge past $2.28. And this is not just some random analyst which is going around, but it's actually a top analyst whose name is this, and you guys can see on a Sunday commentary was mentioning how Doge still has so much money to be poured into it, and Bitcoin price plumbs. But will Bitcoin break 92,000 anytime soon? This is what I want to say. I personally think currently the way the crypto market is playing out, I would want Bitcoin to be able to climb over 92,000. Once it's able to climb through the 92,000, that's the only time I would personally be very confident to ensure that the next leg has started. Let me tell you one thing, I'm very optimistic when it comes to crypto, and at the same time, I do want crypto to do extremely well so all of us can make profit. But being more realistic is very important. And currently you can see that we did break above, the previous resistance, which was close to 86, 87, but now it's ensuring that we do keep this going and break the next resistance at 92,000 to ensure that a lot of people's trust or commitment towards crypto return. And market alert issued at crosses 88,000. Leverage driven pump, open interest hit record levels above 32 billion as the price surges to 87,500. A lot of people are anticipating that the market is most likely going to drop, and that's where it's going to require a lot of push to ensure that the market does keep climbing. And Bitcoin price trends and the future of digital transactions in Africa. Africa is trying to use crypto as much as possible, and it is showing. And Trump crypto project World Liberty launches a stablecoin in Ethereum and BNB chain. So the stablecoins are definitely making a big dent in the universe of crypto currently, and there is a lot of big companies which are trying extremely hard to try to use stablecoins as some sort of payment to ensure that crypto is able to become bigger. But how will this all impact everything? We will have to wait and see. Everything I said today is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. So if you're going to be putting your money into anything, make sure you guys do your own research. Other than that, have a great day and I'll see you soon.